In the following coin and feather experiment, we will use this small paper disc to represent a feather. It is of the same size and shape as the coin we will use. Put the coin and the small paper disc in a glass tube. Stopper the tube. Hold the tube vertically so that the coin and the paper disc lie flat on the stopper. Invert the tube quickly. Note the falling motion of the coin and the paper disc. Then, use a vacuum pump to remove the air from the tube. Let the coin and the paper disc fall again. Do they fall in the same way as last time? Now take the coin and the paper disc out from the tube. Release them from the same height at the same time. Compare their falling rate. This time, put the paper disc on top of the coin. Release them again. Is there still any difference in their falling rates?